Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I have two vintage bead boxes from 2003. Both have never been opened, and I'm doing these together because it was sold as the same kit, but there's different beads in them, and I thought it would be cool to look at both and compare them side by side. But here's the first one. And this was another kit you could find at Walmart. Or not Walmart. Why did I say Walmart? Rite Aid. Wow. I think I'm just like so excited to open these I can't even think. Oh. Yeah, and I had both of these I've already used before, in that time. 2003. You can see it right there. But here's the back. Oh, and they both have the same back and front, just different beads. And then here's the other one with the front. Now, I wonder, because where I grew up, back in, well, the early 2000s when I was buying beads, we only had a Rite Aid. So I'm curious to know if, like, CVS or Walgreens or any of those other similar stores had these there. Because I know that, those places kind of had some of the same stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead, and this one already has a little corner ready, so I'm just gonna go for it. But these were like, this type of bead kit was like my go-to, because my mom worked for Rite Aid, so I was always in there. And also, these were priced pretty good for the time. I mean, if you can see, 3 for $12 is pretty good. Where's the... I don't know if that's gonna affect it. Oh, it shows you how to make earrings. I didn't even remember this part in there, but I guess I was probably just too excited for the beads. Oh, that's cool. Has a few different techniques in there. Okay, and this one has... Is that open? Yes, okay. Now, we'll do this one. Okay. Cut this one. There's the instructions. Yeah, that looks like the same one. Okay. Now let's put these side by side. Or you know what? I could stack them. Alright, we're going to need to get a close-up here. Let's see. So there's some big stars and different shapes. And this one has like the, whoops. So this is from the top and this is from the bottom. So they have different style stars. But here, I'll just go through some string, letter beads. I love these beads. The long shapes. Well, come on, guys. You know, I like it. I like it all. I love them all. Those are tiny. Like seed beads. Okay, and here's this one. What else is in there? Those are pretty. These little flat hearts. I like those. I remember having a few kits with those pointy stars. I think I showed one in my collection before. But here, maybe I'll do a side by side. I thought it would be easier to tell, but maybe not. Okay, there they both are. They're both really cool. I don't have a favorite, I don't think. I just can't wait to use the beads now that I've opened them. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.